Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Rapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Good morning. What's going on? Let's go. My God. What a day to be in crypto, baby. Down and away, and everybody's so hurt. I'm not going to lie, it's pretty crappy. Not going to lie. Okay. But we're here to trade, right? Portfolios aside, right? Portfolios aside, which is so important. We're going to read our little Buddhist book that my wife got us because, we got to be all happy here. It says, searching for happiness leads to more searching. We'll find it when we stop looking. We'll find happiness when we stop looking. I feel like I'm a little bit laggy this morning. Great. Way to start the Monday. Is the sound okay? Let me know if the sound's okay. I feel like my video is a little bit, we'll see. We're coming into a buy zone. What is going on, everybody? Let's say good morning. Hopefully the sound is okay. What do you guys think? The sound is good? You good? All good on my end. Sound is good. Outer gang. Looking for the long here. We'll see if we get a reaction, okay? All things aside, yeah, yesterday was shockingly shite. The market dumped. Everybody cried. We're all in it together. Getting through this weather. Bouncing off the golden pocket. Local golden pocket right now. Not coming down to view up. I won't take this unless we come down lower. That's just me. This is up to you. But hopefully we can find something. I think I got to flip. That makes sense. Yeah, I got to flip this. Got to transform this and rotate it. Rotate 180. Nope, wrong way. Put me back. 90, rotate 90. Oh, no, wrong way. Nope, wrong way. I'm back. We got to flip horizontally. It doesn't give me the flip. Where's the flip? Flip horizontally. Ah, yes. This is why we don't. There we go. Now I'm facing in, Look at the bounce off the golden pocket. Now, this is what we're in for, everybody. This is what we're in for. Okay, we are in for some volatility. Today, I'm going to be using half a position size because we don't want to be a victim. Look at this, just a quick little 50% candle all the way back up here. Okay. Sheesh. Yes, we hit golden pocket. Yes, we bounced out. I would have liked to see the VWAP hit here. Okay. It does appear to be a bit laggy. I don't make the rules here. YouTube makes the rules here. But let's be careful here. Okay. Let's be careful here. It's going to be a volatile day. And the problem is that, at any second there could be like retaliation tariffs. There could be something going on in the world that, really sparks some more fire. Okay. Let's switch this to live chat. Let's say good morning to everybody. So thank you guys for being here. Tades, Marion, good morning to you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Airdropper, MH Sinai, good morning to you guys. Thank you, everybody. Make sure you guys say good morning. That's all I require is a little bit of a good morning and 200 likes every day. I hope we can get there today. Wow, V-shaped recovery after a rollover. Okay, so this is the behavior we're led to expect for at least this week. At least this week, right? Retesting the highs. Yeah, this is going to be a nasty week. So let's make sure we're using good risk management. I saw a bunch of people liquidated, which isn't acceptable. So let's be careful, please. Dragonfly, good morning. Fine, good morning to you. Airdropper, what's going on? You kind of get used to the dumps. Yeah, I mean, I was kind of unbothered, like down 130K and just like sitting there like, okay, the house is on fire. Pretty wild. Marion, good morning to you. Joan, good morning. Good to see you. Jacob Dorton, good morning. Good to see you. LJG Corp. Lunchable Connoisseur. What's going on? Good morning. Crypto Michael, I bought all the way down to 92K. He's deploying the driest of all powders, the bone powder. I don't know why I have this in my ear. I was listening to something earlier, but I do not listen to anything while I stream. Maybe that's just habit. Randy L. Gallo, good morning to you. Buy tea. Let's go. Tim Tortelloni, Littlefish Ernie, Anonymous, Danius, Justice Sub, Darshan, Marion, Blair Stevenson. Good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I do appreciate you guys being here and supporting the channel. We'd love to find some good trades today. We were on fire last week. I mean, besides the FOMC, where I lost 2 trades. Okay, and they were proper trades, $300 losses. Okay, so it's down. I managed to scalp my way back into victory that day. But besides that, every other day we caught the perfect trade, right? In my opinion. Perfect trades. A little bit of struggles holding trades longer, okay? I don't know if we're going to do that so well today either, but we're going to try our best as usual. And hopefully we can help you guys. But we've had some banger setups and some great trades as a community. And we'll continue to do that. So what were we last week? 5 for 7? 5 for 7? I think that's pretty good. That's a pretty good win rate. Look at this coming back down now. Okay. Yeah. Established lows here. We'll take a look. There's some hopium in the 1 hour, but the 1 hour doesn't seem to want to play out until about noon. So we'll see how that goes. We do have a lot of news coming out this week too with jobs and stuff like that. I do like this pushback here. I don't know if I'm not curious to it yet. I'm not curious. We could. Such a quick pushback. Looking for a full V-shaped recovery in here. You'd have to be really cheap. Got VWAP below us, so I'm going to wait. Let's be patient. I think patience will prevail in such a turbulent market, so let's be careful here. Darshan, good morning, Justice Sub. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Roman Brave, good morning, Jesse. Good luck. Wick 589. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Quasim VWAP. Bounce off the VWAP. Yes, that's the one. We just tickled it, man. We didn't really bounce off of it. Right? We got fooled by that last week. where when we see a bounce off VWAP, we kind of want to see a wick below it. That kind of gives us the like VWAP saying, hey man, you ain't going nowhere, right? You ain't going nowhere. Right now it's you've blasted through. Are you coming back for a retest and continuation? We'll see. That's very much on the table. However, nice order block in here, golden pocket retracement zone, big sweep of the lows. I'm sure a lot of people were getting long in here, which is still a level of interest for liquidity to come down to. We have a critical level at 93,400, I would say, to hold, must hold level. Not necessarily worried about wicks below it, but I would like to see us at least stay above here in general. Okay. Shorts wise, this is just a nice flag, so we'll see. Maybe we come up here and go. Maybe we roll over, okay? I'm not favoring any which direction today and just saying this is the area that we are looking to potentially long, okay? Did you guys see what Fear and Greed was at? Holy smokes. Fear and Greed's at 44. Perfect. Perfect. Buy when others are fearful. Shredder, good morning. Jay Violet, Kurosoma. What's going on, Mo2? Good morning to you. BC, Port Corp from the Piper Academy. What's going on, Indian Beast? You're getting echoed. Are we still good? We're still good. Yeah, we're good. Sounds good. You're sounding like a god. Oh, my God. Oh, what's going on, Tony? He's got a doctor's appointment. Tony, be careful, man. Just tell the doctor, hey, man, we're not going to hurt each other here, are we? Thank you, Tony, for coming through, man. Ernie, what's going on? Jacob, all good on your end. Okay, thank you guys for the sound check. Sanai, Roaming Brave, Tim Tortelloni, Gains for Life. What's going on? Good to see you guys. See? That's why you don't jump the gun here. Let's see how it reacts. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so higher low. Not a sufficient bounce. Just a golden pocket bounce, which is normal. Roll over here, which is fine. Coming back, retesting this little order block in here. Okay, coming back down. Volume picked up for this V-shaped recovery. Okay, so that's interesting here that we see volume coming in, trying to hold price up, right? Golden pocket zone. Local golden pocket too. Let's not get overly like, oh my God, this is the big golden pocket. No, it's just local. Okay, we're local here. Local. Don't be crazy, man. Okay, so I would like to see a follow through here and a bounce above. That would be great. If we do get a higher low here, I'm not really interested in it. Yes, it could come back up, sweep the liquidity of the highs. Most likely this one in here. That's why we got the red box up here. We did have previous day lows or previous day lows up in here as well. So we'll see how that goes. And then we really want to wait for confirmation of bounces, right? It's one of those, if anything, we're favoring shorts. Shorts we should be favoring above though, not right here. We're not looking for the rollover trade. That's something I do not trade. Do not look for like a continuation rollover. We can look for it in the sense of maybe a VWAP breakthrough and retest and continuation down if it's clear. It has to be clear though. It can't be none of this namby-pamby, choppy, woppy stuff, okay? It has to be clear. Liquidity in these lows and then in these lows as well. 786 would be nice. Hitting 786, reclaim and bounce. That would be perfect. Or 786, who cares? Break everyone's hearts a little bit more because we all need another little bit of, it's like when she starts dating your friend 2 weeks later, right? That's what Bitcoin's going to do to us. Oh man, Moho, good morning to you guys. Look at all these people in here. My God, gang. My God, amazing. Thank you guys so much for being here. Ryan, Buck, good morning to you, Buck. How's it going, man? Captain Pancakes, progress forward. It did hit my VWAP, says Crypto Creek. We're going to get the weekly VWAP. Jesse, what's the update on the VWAP, if you wouldn't mind sharing with us? I know you watch this thing like a hawk. Y'all hit the like on the way in and get ready for some solid TA. Alex is the chillest, the illest, the gonna grillest. full of skillists. So enjoy the thrillist. Let's go. Let's go. Mad love. Wick 589 in the chat, man. God bless you. You and wifey, man. Thank you for coming through. I appreciate you both. Space Cake, Jeff Carlson, Tyler Drager. What's going on? Let's try to hold here. High or low? Momentum's down. Money's down as well. So caution here. Caution here. Let's go into 12. Take a look here. At 12-minute, trying to come back in. VWAP's pushing to the upside. Okay. Little rollover here. 24 trigger wave. Money coming in. That's possible. Okay. This looks decent. This looks decent here. Trigger wave trying to push up. Basic market cipher strategy coming in. 1 hour looks good. So the 1 hour here, why does the 1 hour look good? Look at it. It's complete garbage, right? The 1 hour looks good in my opinion because we have pig nipples and we have a trigger wave coming. Okay. Now I said not until 12 o'clock. If we draw that out kind of like that, we can see that that's probably peaking around 12. So we could easily get something like this before then. Okay. Let's not get it twisted. But this is a good trade setup when patient enough to wait for it. Okay, when patient enough to wait for it. So let's be patient. Right? We obviously have this downwards trend line being respected here, so we could draw that in if we want. I mean, momentum traders love this shit. So shout out to Kyle, one of our traders in the Discord. An amazing trader, to say the least. Be looking for something like that. Breakout, retest, continuation. Not there yet. And this low is, I would like to see one more. Like that one. I want to see that one. That no one buys, right? We don't want to see people buy it. We want to see people just feel the pain and then a big bounce. This to me is not a big bounce. This is like, okay, we won't dump it all on your head yet. All you buyers down here, okay? Looks like we're getting a little pushback here. 5 minute. Yeah. Yeah, this should push up into here, but maybe we look to short it. Something like up in here. Right? We'll see. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. God bless you guys. Hopefully you had a wonderful weekend. I know the portfolios are down. I know they are. Mine's down, too. I'm there with you. I mean, overall, the portfolio is not down. Obviously, I'm heavily weighted in Bitcoin still, about 80% Bitcoin. So I'm still like 4x on my Bitcoin. I am down like 100 and change thousand on my altcoins. I told my wife last night, I'm like, I'm not worried. She's like, what? And I'm like, no, I'm not worried. She's like, okay, I trust you. You're crazy. And I'm like, yeah, it's crypto, baby. It's crypto, baby. Don't worry, girl. Don't worry, girl. Has Bitcoin been nice to us? Yeah, it has. All right. Look at the whole portfolio. Don't just look at the altcoin portfolio. Look at the whole portfolio, right? It's like the Stifler moment where he's like, it's 11 inches around. Think about it. All right. If you know, you know. If you know. Those were like the best. Like all the teen movies back in the day. What was your favorite teen movie? Like you had American Pie, you had Not Another Teen Movie, you had How High, that was really funny. Some of those movies, man, top notch, man. Top notch. Good morning, everybody. Jake Falcon, R.S. Miller. What was your favorite teen movie? Ran out of dip funds. Yeah, I think that's a lot of people. I mean, I still have the driest of dry powder, the one you don't use unless really necessary. I'm still waiting to deploy that. R.S. Miller, good morning to you. Thank you, everybody, for the stream on Friday. We managed to raise $160 for the mods, and I added $50 to each one of them on top of that. So we were able to give them just under $100, about almost 90. So that was pretty cool. Giving all of our 7 mods. We have 9 mods, but Alexandra G and Darren Does Things added their $50 to the pot. So everybody else got an extra $100 divided amongst them. So thank you guys so much for paying it forward as well for Alexandra G and Darren Does Things, giving it away. And then for the mods, for all they do, thank you everybody for the support. We were able to give them all about $90 a pop. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Thank you everybody for doing that. I didn't think I'd ever be able to repay them for what they're doing, but we'll continue to do that, which is good. What's going on, Trade Intuition? God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful weekend. My set limit buy order hit 91,200. So happy. Nice airdropper. That's awesome. That's awesome, man. Paul Caruso, good morning to you. Wick 589. Good morning, Jay Violet. How's it going, Drew? Good to see you. Trade Intuition. Our Pink. How many people have to look up what a tariff is? Oh, man. Rashad, good morning. Goldie Crypto. Good to see you. Momo, Trade Intuition, Tamale, Dave Digital. I'm an otter. You're an otter. Put us together and we're an otter gang. Absolutely. Just a sub. What's going on, Trade Intuition? Dr. Pepper. I like Dr. Pepper. It's quite good. Multi-sig dummy. What's going on? Good to see you, Patrick Swayze. Antonio. Army Piper. What's going on, brother? Good to see you as well. My man, Tom Crown. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, bro. My God, Tom, we need a Tom Crown don't panic stream, man. You know what? Tom Crown has always encouraged to be Bitcoin heavy. So I made a post thanking content creators who always suggested to be Bitcoin heavy, because moments like this, I started Terra Luna Collapse, right? So welcome to the fire show. And my altcoin portfolio got kicked in the teeth, let's put it that way. But because, there's good people out there like Tom Crown, like Army Piper, that definitely help guide us freshies in here. Definitely has definitely saved my bacon. So thank you for all you do. Go follow our friends there. Crypto Billy in the chat. What's going on, man? That's why it's never financial advice. We're just here to press buy and sell successfully, and we've done it quite well lately. Okay, we've been crushing. We crushed January, that's for sure. I got to do the full recap, but we were 19 for 23 in December, and I think we overtraded a little bit on January, so we'll have to go and look at the books and see how well we did. It was an up month, but it was a shaky one. The equity curve was nice, but the amount of trades I think we took was a little bit overzealous, to be honest. So much love for everybody here. Tom Crown in the chat. What's going on? Bart in the chat with the otters. Brian Rose, good morning. Ismail, good morning to you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Tattoo Destroyer. So we're coming into this buy area here. Let's see how it reacts. Right now, no trade as of yet. This is a simple order block retest of previous lows, continuation to the downside. Okay, it's not a reversal, so we wait. Okay, I want to see volume come in, volume come back. Okay, that would be ideal right now. Looking for a sweep here. Let's see if we do get it. Volume did peak up for a little V-shaped recovery. Now, this is why we're going half position size today, because of the volatility. We got a 0.5% swing, right? And if we're having a full position size, which is a 0.3% swing, we're going to have to be very cautious here, risking only 0.6 of my account per trade. So we always trying to practice good risk management here. That is going to be key to the longevity of your beautiful, beautiful trading account that you should protect with your absolute life. I don't know. What's something that you need to protect really well? Like your front door, okay? This is your front door. You got to protect yourself, man. Especially in this. What if Xi Jinping guy comes out and says, I can't say his name, obviously. What if he comes out and says, you know what, 25% retaliate tariffs and the market dumps, right? If you're not prepared to take a loss, you're gambling. You're gambling. So let's all be safe out here. This week's going to be a doozy. It's going to be a doozy. We can either make a lot of money or we can lose a lot of money, and it depends on our patience level and our risk management as well. Ando, Pancho. What's going on? Ando held up respectively well. Gabriel, good morning to you. Army Piper, good to see you. Dusty Hunt, what's going on? Wick 589, Quazim. A penny for your thoughts on higher time frames on this cash on this crash, please. Yeah, absolutely. I would love to go over that. I'm gonna go over some top-down analysis for you guys quite shortly. Just want to say good morning to everybody because it's Monday, you know, and we're not here to rush into a trade. Sparky Loft, good morning. Billy Goat, Tails, and Crypto Billy dropping through. Good to see you as well. Thank you, everybody, for being here. How many viewers do we got right now? You guys are incredible, man. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. We got 260 people in here. We're going to go through and do some Half-Baked is up there. Wayne's World. Let's go. What about Joe Dirt? Harold and Kumar. Breakout. Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Let's go. These are great, man. Old school road trip. Billy Madison. How about that one? Deuce Bigelow, male gigolo. How about that? That one was good. Oh, the devil, Miss Jones. Let's go. Hit the like button, gang. Says Jesse. Good luck. Jesse, thank you so much for the kind super chat, man. God bless you, man. You got to give me the update on the VWAP. Remember, you said there's some goodies on the VWAP. Looking for the bounce here. Let's see if we get it. Dude, where is my car? Scary Movie 2 is probably one of my favorites. I think I know. Pool scene was fire. Yeah, we all know the pool scene. Oh, man. Got to head to the meeting at work. Good vibes on the trades today, gang. Thank you, Jacob. Have a wonderful day, man. Man, some classics. You guys are sparking. I liked How High. That was a good one. They smoked their best friend and he helped them pass Harvard. Crazy, man. Crazy. Oh, too good. Thank you, everybody, for being here. You guys are incredible. Good morning. My biggest holding is 3 mil market cap. Okay, let's go. Merck, good morning. Michael, good morning. Lucky Deal. What's going on, man? Good to see you guys. Thank you guys so much for coming in here. You guys are incredible. Shawshank Redemption is an absolute banger of a movie. Fear and Loathing. Oh, man. That's not. Are we going to go down there? Let's do. I want to do top-down analysis, but we're so close to being in a possible trade setup, I'm not going there yet. Okay? I just want to see how this reacts. We have decreasing volume. We also have news coming out today at 10 o'clock. Okay, here's the push at VWAP. We've tapped it. Just a little tap. Okay? Just a little tap. I would like the mitigation into here. Come on, Bitcoin. You could do it, baby. You could do it. Put your back to it. I could do it. Put you into it. Put your back to it. All right, follow through here. Continuation. There's no signs of strength coming back in to buy this up. Okay, no signs. Nobody wants to buy this. Bye. Slow price action right now. Do something, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. I got an order down in here so I could drag it up, okay? Just so you guys know. But it's like way down here. Rolling over. No sign of strength coming in. Just pretty weak, actually, to be fair. So we've pulled a fib from this level, right? This is our first fib level. I always like to keep the 786 and the golden pocket together in this sense because it's such a small window, okay? And really we're looking for a reaction on price, right? If price can push down and bounce up, or if price can hold here, mitigate the low, return, right? But if price rips through and retests and it's clean, we can look for a short as well, right? I do talk about VWAP quite a bit, and it typically is my bread and butter. It has betrayed me It betrayed me twice last week. However, I'm quick to forgive because of all the money it's made me in the past, right? Right? You can't hold a grudge. It's like being mad at a customer who comes in and always spends, and he's a little bit of a douche canoe. But he's always like, you know what? I will always support you. Sometimes I'll be a douche canoe. Right? And there's people like that where you got to have some tolerance, but not a lot, you know? If the VWAP kept destroying me, we wouldn't have a good relationship, but it makes me a lot of money. Look at it hold here. That's not even a key level anywhere. What are you looking for? Order block in here. Revisit a previous highs. Yeah. Continuation up here. Trying to hold. Let's see if it does. Half baked. Yeah. So trying to hold here. Pushing back. Can we get a bullish engulfing? Got 2 minutes left on this candle. Let's wait for it to print. Always wait for the candle to print too. That will give you a good indication of direction. Obviously, this has broken this low in here. This is continuation. But we could come back, retest this low in here. Sign of strengths, right? Sign of strengths. Sometimes you want to trade it blindly and go off the VWAP, right? But sometimes it just continues, okay? Because we're looking for this to hold support, even though that we are in a down trend, okay? So getting in on a trade like this immediately can be very detrimental. If you at least you got to wait for a candle close, in my opinion. You want to see strengths or at least some sort of pushback coming in. If you don't, mini, not even a div. No. I would look for 3 strikes now. Pushback, continuation, sweep, volume come in, bounce. Okay. I'm going to watch it on my other screen over here. Let's go top down and take a look at the market and what really has happened. I think that's important. And, if you are part of our Discord, we will go over it extensively later. I plan on doing like a full rundown of most of the altcoins in the whole crypto world. Okay, so we got the shooting star candle, the bearish divergence, the weekly candle engulfing. Okay, very aggressive sell-off into Sunday nasty weekly. Okay, so we are still here. We are still managing to hold that bottom of the range. If we are looking at this on market cipher, everything has rolled over. Confirm red dot, not looking too great. Okay, pretty nasty. VWAP coming down. This is okay for once we start to go, but really it's like you got some time. So you're probably looking for some hopium going into the end of this week. Okay, we'll see how it reacts. Obviously, we could get bullish news. Like the news is very, very influential right now. And what's going on, in my opinion, is we need to be keeping our eyes on jobs data. Jobs data is coming out this week, especially into Friday. Non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate, I think, will be a very good idea of what the Fed plans to do with rate cuts, okay, and inflation. That's going to be very important. But first and foremost, we have ISM today. Jolts tomorrow. Okay, so it's gonna be a doozy of a week. Let's not get it twisted. Okay, we are getting a little bounce here. Not for me. Low volume. Okay, low volume. If we reclaim this high, we can look for a higher low. Nothing until then. Okay. Looking at so the 3-day and the 2-day trigger wave to the downside, anchor trigger wave, nasty, right? Continuation down. I believe on was it 2-day? No, it's the daily. We got the 3 crows, right, coming down. However, look at this daily. Like as we get lower and lower here, it's going to be that much easier for money to come back into the market if we bounce off the 0 line and we get a trigger wave in here. Okay, so but money is coming out. So let's not get it twisted. We have crossed the 0 line of the stochastics in here. This is not looking good at the daily. However, so overextended. Look at how low our VWAP is. Anytime our VWAP gets this low around minus 21, we can go through history and we could mark these out if we wanted to and just look at how price reacts at these levels when we get this low on VWAP. Okay, and we can see that when we did get some relief in here, we got that pump in here. We got some relief eventually in here as well. Okay, a little bit more down, but then relief. Okay, so it says that relief will eventually come. Doesn't mean it's going to happen right away. Okay, so don't just deploy all your dry powder. Right, have a plan if you are deploying capital into the market right now. Okay, you got to have a plan. The idea is very simply, we have come to the value area low of the range. If we're looking at this as a range, you can see we've tapped that value area low and we have gotten acceptance back basically almost up into this square box in here. So for me, consolidation is what is probably going to happen, right? We're probably looking to fill in a little bit down here and one more spook and then go. However, we need to be level-headed in this situation. We expect chop within this area. We expect volatility within this area. Okay, so very simply, we have come down. If we are to roll over, my key target's going to be around 80,000. That would be a fib level for us to bounce. Okay, if we do come down and sweep before we go, that would be the level. And that would be, I don't think that would be, it would have to be a news-driven sweep. However, we had, what, 2 billion, how much was liquidated yesterday? Like everything, right? I mean, everything. So bigger than the FTX collapse. People have told me bigger than COVID. Okay. I really I probably need to get checked because I'm really like unbothered by it. But like, again, thanks to people like Tom Crown and stuff like that for suggesting to be heavy in Bitcoin on my portfolio. Okay. Is the bull run over? I don't think so. We have people watching it all the time. There's no really toppy data that has come in since this push up. So I still remain bullish. Okay. We haven't even entered quantitative easing or any of that stuff either. Okay. Breaking this trend line right now. See, we could have got blindly off of VWAP and been successful here. Not a risk I was willing to take this morning. Okay. A little bit too long of a wait. However, we wait. Okay. Let's go into the 12 hours pushing back up. Money's coming out. Okay, so we wanted clean money coming in. We didn't get it. We have since come back down. We have an anchor wave, so we're looking for the trigger wave here. We're not really trying to jump the gun on a bounce right now. And because there is the threat of this, in my opinion, we still have this low over here. That, in my opinion, kind of wants to be hit. Okay, if we're here, you think there's not going to be at least one more sweep of this low in here? I wouldn't counter trade that idea, okay? If we start to put in structure in here, okay? Getting long here on a big swing or getting long in here on a big swing is great. I think that's what you should be looking for. Obviously, a lot of liquidity on the way down for us to come back and recover. We have all of our key levels of liquidity and stuff like that. So we're prepared for that as well. Okay. Into our 4 hour, like I said, I want to see that trigger wave come in. Yes, big bleed out here, big money coming back in. So it's money coming back in. Momentum trigger wave, right? That is what I want confirmation. I don't want to just get gig along on any stupidness, okay? Right now, this says down. And so we don't fade that downtrend, okay, until we start putting in some, daily structure, at least 12 hours structure to the upside, hopefully. Okay. Going into our 3 or 2 or 1. What really is going on is we need a bounce, but we don't necessarily. It doesn't mean we're gonna get one yet. Okay. I think it's too early to know. We need to see how the market reacts. We have to see what the tariff situation is, and we have to, keep our HODL portfolios very separate from our trading portfolios. I always preach this to the Discord because it's going to wreck you. You're going to get short bias. You're going to get long bias. Right now, we want to be contrarian. We just want to say, hey, man, what does this look like? Where is this set up? What is our chart saying? How can we position ourselves correctly in order to make profits, right? How am I going to extract profits from the market in a situation like this? Well, lots of liquidity above us to come and get. A little sweep here, not a sufficient bottom in my opinion. I think we can, this is a great dump right here, but this bounce is kind of lackluster in my opinion, right? So I would like to see this or even this, considering we do have a key area below us down in here, right around our 89 to 90,000 region, okay? So we're prepared. We have a plan. We execute the plan. We continue to do that every single day. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. We got 96 likes here, 317 people. Pretty incredible. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys and all the kindness. It's Monday, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. I don't want to give you guys too much opium. I think that would be the wrong thing to do. I think the idea would be to try and be level-headed in a situation that's pretty nasty. Pretty nasty. But don't worry, Canada will soon be the greatest state in all of the USA. Okay, a little break of the trend here. Like I said, if we put in a higher high here, we look for the retest back down, continuation out. Nice bounce off of VWAP. VWAP doing its thing, baby. Doing its thing, baby. Anybody get long off that VWAP? Let me know in the chat. We'd love to know what your guys are thinking. Why do you trade on MexC but chart on Bybit? MexC is showing price below VWAP. So that's because there's more volume traded on Bybit. I prefer a higher volume traded chart just for liquidity purposes, for accuracy. I find Bybit's never steered me wrong, and the amount of MexC, I've seen some nasty, weird ass wicks on that chart. So I always chart on Bybit for almost every pair. That's just me. That's it's because of liquidity purposes and accuracy, in my opinion. What's going on, Melissa? Good morning to you. Rudy. Tariffs might be decreased or adjusted. Okay. Interesting. That would be bullish. Look at this push, man, off VWAP. Quick 589. Anybody get long here? Lunar Beaches Crypto, what's going on, man? Thank you for being here. Alexandra G. Thank you so much, Alexandra G, for being giver's gain and passing on that $50. I was able to divide it up. You and Darren passed on the $50 for the mods. I was able to add $100 to all the mods and give that away. Thank you so much, Alexandra G, for being a top-notch human. I appreciate you. Incredible. Let's see some Alexandra G's in the chat. Let's get that Alexandra G emoji pumping, baby. Let's go. Wick 589, Crypto Billy in the chat, man. You guys are incredible. 320 people in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smash that like button. We could do a lot better than 110. All you lurkers in the back there, hanging out, listening to me, and doing whatever you're doing. Thank you for being here as well. I left for coffee. Did you enter? No, I did not enter. It wasn't, we could have waited for this candle close and got long off of it. That would have been a trade, but volume for me didn't. This wasn't a sufficient sweep, in my opinion. It clearly was. It was a possible trade we could have taken, but we didn't. Okay, so on to the next one. It's fine. We don't want to rush trades on a Monday. No rushing, but yeah, look, this would have bangs, right? Even if on the candle close entry here, right? Nice little trade. You don't chase this, though. You're not chasing green candles, everybody. If anything, we're looking for a pullback. Coming up to resistance now. Nice move for Bitcoin off the VWAP. Continuing to push. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Hopefully, you're having a wonderful day. How was your weekend besides the dump? Okay, I know. It's it's painful. I get it. Besides, did you touch grass? Did you spend time with your family? I went golfing indoors because it's minus 12 on Saturday, and then I went to in Canada with a kid, 5-month-old. Definitely. This thing's ripping, baby. Let's go. Definitely. We go to the mall to walk around because, you can't really walk outside with a newborn or an infant or a baby or whatever stage it's called. I think it's an infant. It's called an infant now. Get my terms right. I went for a walk around the mall. That was nice. It's nice walking around a big mall because the floor is really smooth for the stroller. Just smooth gliding. And you get to people watch. I always, it's always some interesting people in the malls, Wick 589 knows. Chocolate watermelon. That's like that's an unfair poll advantage. Melissa, what's going on? We have to go back to being healthy. Absolutely. Melissa, how's it going? How was your the monthly licks, Alex? Okay. Good morning, RS Miller. Thank you for being here. Alexandra G's in the chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Played snooker with my son, then played Tears of the Kingdom at Sunday. That's awesome, man. Thank you for sharing that, Elias. Elias, that's cool. That's cool, man. I did the good stuff. Yeah, that's it. That's it. You guys are like morning coffee. Smash those likes, says Kryptonic. Thank you for being here. Shout out to Alexandra G, and DDDDT. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Coffee and croissant from a lurker. Kalut, what's going on, man? I love a croissant. Keep the pastry away from me, man. If there's one way to my heart, it's pastry. Like Danishes, croissants, you name it, man. Ooh, pastel de natas. Weekend was great. Wifey and I spent $1,000 on groceries to get ahead of increasing prices. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we're there too. We're going to spend about the same. Easily. It's crazy. Salad, a bag of salad has gone from $2.50 up to $4.80 in the last month in Canada. Oh, man, a bag of salad, man. Is this like the lettuce from like Peter Rabbit or something? Oh, man. Jay Violet, Jesse Gluck. Good to see you guys here. Pastries are lifeblood of construction. This is facts, man. This is facts, man. Absolutely. That's some fancy lettuce. Exactly. It's wild, man. It's wild. Okay, a little rejection off this simple trend line. It shows you the simple trend lines do work sometimes. I wouldn't trade just based off a trend line here. It's probably like a platinum pocket up in here. Yeah, 786. Yeah. Got bullish momentum now. This is like a mini balloon dog. If you know, you know. Okay. I guess the long was off VWAP. That's okay. On to the next one. No one got long off that VWAP, eh? No one? I'm so easily there was like this like luxury pastry store in the mall yesterday, and my wife had to like kind of steer me away. I'm like, no, we are patient. My paper trade did good. I love to hear people paper trading. I didn't paper trade, and I wish I did. I kind of rushed into it. I blew like 3 accounts, like $1,000 accounts, which was silly, really, at the end of the day. And then, that's how I paid my price. But I mean, I lost my probably like my 10th trade. I lost $10,000, and I was on $1,000 account. I shorted Terra Luna Collapse. I showed my wife the $10,000 in the account from $1,000. She thought I was amazing, and then the next day I walked upstairs. I said I lost it all. I'll never forget it. Welcome to crypto, baby. Looking for a retest back in here. We'll see what we get. Little golden pocket 786. We're going half a position size today, my friends. We want to be very safe here, okay? Today is not the day to play with the fire. It's not. I'll tell you that much. We'll see what Trump does with this tariff situation, all that good stuff. We don't want to be a victim of it. Let's put it that way. Okay? 340 people in here, 130 likes. That's pretty incredible. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. It's been a wild ride. I really need you guys to get to somebody unsubscribe, because look at our subscribers right now. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah. Someone unsubscribe, please. Someone just unsubscribe for now. Ugh. Why is it so? What can someone explain why it's horrible? Like, please. I know it's like the devil's number, right? It's the devil's number and all that stuff, but it's lucky number 6. Oh yeah? I don't know about that. Do you ever trade gold? No. I am considering to try trading the NASDAQ. I love the NASDAQ, man. NASDAQ looks like fun. NASDAQ, I'd have to back test, which I do not have time right now. Like, I'm even considering taking a day. I'm warning you guys. I am considering. My wife told me to do this, and I'm not blaming her. I'll never blame her, but I'm considering taking one morning off this week because I've been busy, man. Just so swamped. And like, what is life if you're not in? It's not that I'm not enjoying it. I love doing this. This is great. Like, but then I teach, and then I teach, and then I don't stop all day long. It's a lot. It's a lot. And burnout, I know when to watch for burnout because I've been burnout before, right? Coming back in here, looking for a retest back into a 94.5. We'll see if we get it. Looking to get long 94.5. A little trigger wave coming down here, though. Let's be careful right now. We also have the trigger wave coming up on the 24. This is a retest of previous highs. Retest of previous highs is going to hold this level. Where's my key level saying? Yeah, so we're above. We're above here, 90K. Yeah, so we can look a little bit higher, not much. Okay, looking on 650. Looking for a bounce. NASDAQ rolling over. S&P gapping down to here, I'm guessing. 59.80. Kind of like my line in the sand here. Question mark. We'll see. This is very slow, my friends. I'm not taking this trade. We need volume. We need volume. Turn up the volume. Boom, 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 boom. I'll see. I might take this if we get some volatility, but right now this is paint dry action here. Everybody says watching paint dry like they have experience. Like, have you sat there and watched it dry? Let me know. Have you just like sat and watched paint? I have. I've been in construction my whole life. I have never sat and watched paint dry. So let me know what you're into. NQ looks stumpy. Yeah, I was looking at that. Absolutely. Number of the beast. 333. Nothing wrong with that number. That my birthday. Let's go. R.S. Miller, man. God bless you, R.S. Miller. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, man. Throw those collies in the chat, man. Shark Vin, funny timing. Why is 13 lucky? 13 is actually lucky in Italian culture. It's weird. And then there's no 13th floor on buildings, which is kind of weird. Construction, same thing. We wouldn't have a 13th floor. Skyscrapers. Very weird. Have we fixed that 666 number yet, or what? Okay, we're at 6671. Thank you, everybody, for unsubscribing. I do appreciate you guys. Takes longer than you think. I run a painting and remodeling company. I literally have to do it. See, I put the trim on the walls, whether it's wainscoting, whatever. I put it on the walls. Sometimes, not a lot. Sometimes I'll fill my brad nails. Not a lot. I'm guilty. And sometimes I shoot more than I should. I'm that guy who puts too many nails and shit. That's me. Hello. People hate having to remove my work. Like the demo guys, good luck. I'm one of those guys. Hey, you wanted to stay? You want to build with quality? Okay, coming down into this level now. See if we get a reaction here. No trade yet. We got a little zig and zag, man. We got the lightning bolt pattern here. Woo, woo, woo. And a higher high put in nonetheless. Okay, so we'll see. I'm interested in here. You do have the trigger wave down. I'd like to see a little reset here. We'll see if we get it. I'm that guy. You hate you hate I do good work. I'm not, I would say I'm above average with my hand skills, but you don't want to take it apart. Take a break, Alex. Reboot. You will let me have a day off. See, the ladies will let me have a day off. I don't know. The guys are like, don't be such a namby-pamby, bro. Right? No days off. See? No days off, eh? This is how it is. Oh, my God. You guys are so cruel. You guys know if Eagles lose the Super Bowl, they move to an all-time record of no way. That's wild. Did you know that the Toronto Argonauts, our Canadian football team, is the oldest sports franchise in all of North America? It's the oldest sports team, the Toronto Argonauts, that hasn't changed their name. It's pretty cool. The oldest. Cool facts, man. I love shit like that. Coming down in here. We'll see how it reacts. This is painful. This is painful. Slow, painful. It's like the market is as sad as most people's portfolios are. Oh, man. You should take some time off. I'm sure she would love to have you all to herself and Otter Jr. Absolutely. I spend a lot of time with my family. That's why if I was working construction, I'd be gone at 5 a.m. and I wouldn't be home till 6. So I've created a life where I am able to be present with my family, which is very, very important to me. 3 years in the making, so it's taken time, but my wife left me. I'm sorry to hear that. Your comment in Benjamin Cowan's live stream yesterday was funny. Yeah, I put my wife left me. I just wanted to troll. Sometimes I just go in and troll. Coming into our buy zone. No time for breaks, Alex. Oh, please do not fight your own momentum. Ride it. You could do it. All right. We'll see. We'll see. I was thinking maybe I just start the stream a little bit later. Like 8:30, 8:45. Maybe have a little lie-in. I don't know. You guys are not going to let me, are you? You guys just want me here. I would prefer wait 10 days, Alex. Okay. Thanks for your permission, Jesse. I do appreciate your permission. Okay, rolling over here. Volume picking up. Volume picking up. No sort of fight here. Okay. Let's get rid of this trend line. Let's not just trade based off of a trend line here. Coming into here. Remember we said we want to see the SFP below here and hold. Okay. SFP and hold. Looking for market structure change here and for strengths to come into the market here. Possible trade setup. Be patient here. Coming in. Rollover. It's quite aggressive. I guarantee you some people are buying this up right now. Let's be patient. I mean, valid trade setup. Stop loss below this low here. Not yet. Still waiting. Still waiting. Nice rejection off this high. Nice support at this low here. So we have like a ping pong kind of situation where we've hit both levels. Do we consolidate or do we continue down? Forming this little trigger wave in here on the 3-minute. So can we see that basic market cipher strategy? We can see money coming out, which is concerning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We're here. So are you. 350 people in here. Thank you so much for being here. Trading live every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Helping you guys navigate these crazy, crazy times. Trying to keep our portfolios separate from our trading. Risking 300 to make 900 every single day. Navigating these crazy, crazy times. If you do want to take your trading further, we still have our sale on. $1 a day keeps the doctor away if you want to join our Discord, which is incredible. Or come by the free section, okay? We'd love to have you over here. A great, great community, okay? Amazing people. Okay, VWAP retest again, okay? Back in here. That's why we don't rush that trade. Rolling over. SFP below. That would be ideal. SFP reclaim. Just like we were talking about earlier, swing down, retest, continuation. Okay. When we sweep VWAP, we want to see it hold. Okay. We don't want to see a breakdown, retest, continuation. That's the danger right now. Okay. That's the danger. Double bottom. Volume picking up for this candle, everybody. Patience. This looks like continuation to the downside here. No follow through yet. Going into the 1 minute. This is cheeky. Mitigating this low. I'm not going 1 minute. 150 likes. Thank you guys. This is follow through here. Candle print below. Candle close below this low. That's bearish. Okay. We've closed below this low. That's now we're getting a bullish divergence here. If we were to pop back in and hold VWAP, we get long. If not, we wait. Okay. Some more key levels down below us. We could come for this low in here as well. This is also a key target, in my opinion. Nice roll over here for Bitcoin. Volume picking up again. Why we don't just press buy, right? We need confirmation to press buy. Nice roll over here. Continuation of a downtrend, right? We have, the bearish divergence in here. The retest, the lower high, the break of structure to the downside, and the continuation down, okay? Very simple. We're looking for a reversal in here. We're not looking for... I mean, this would have been a nice trade, that VWAP long there, but would have had to got long off that candle close. 786 tap right now. Nice bounce. $786 tap. I do like this. I do like this. Can we push? So we know the bottom of the box is the 786. The top of the box is the golden pocket. Okay, just so you guys are aware. Volume coming in. I like this. Failure to push. No trade yet. Okay. Volume coming back. It's not able to get through here, which is a good sign. So if this is 786, we'd mark it out like this, right? If it's only a 786, we'd mark it out something like that. Okay. Local 786 trying to push up. No real push back here. Rolling over for Bitcoin. No trade yet. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 370 people in here. Incredible. Incredible. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. A little pushback, a little hopium, break of structure, not significant enough to push back here. Oh, we're getting some volume here, pushing back in. Okay. Looking to fire off a long. Half a position size, possibly, if we come in here. Okay. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. You got to push. Just retesting the lows right now. Getting above there would be bullish. All right, I'm going to fire off along here. Take a little stab. Half a position size. Giving myself a little bit more breathing room to the downside. Come on, baby. Push. We're in it here. Got to get above that VWAP. This could V-shape recover, though. That could be quite nice here. We'll see if we do get it. Stop loss is actually down in here, so we have more room here. See if we do reclaim this. I would like a reclaim here. I'm not trying to break records today. I'm just trying to be level-headed. We'll see if we do get a pushback in here. Got to go, Bitcoin. This could be a retest of the VWAP and a breakdown, right? So looking for the 786 to hold and push us back. We also have a support level in here as well. Okay, we'll see if we do we can aim to kind of reclaim this order block in here. More like a 1-to-1 in my opinion. We'll see if we do push up in. If I don't see strength, I'll cut this short and I'll get out quick. I need to see this come back in. 1 minute stalling out here. I don't like this flagging out kind of business. You've got to push Bitcoin. 9:08. We got 20 minutes till market opens. This does look a little bit rolly overy. Is that a word? A rolly overy? Failure to reclaim VWAP. Gotta go. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Happy Monday to everybody. Happy Tariff. It's not Tuesday. Instead of Taco Tuesday, we'll call it Tariff Tuesday. Looking for some volume. Volume has picked up in here. So there is a battle going on here. Looking for that push back and reclaim. Struggling here a little bit. Struggling. Steve Ruggles. Steve Ruggles in the morning, man. Steve, it does want to push up here. To me, this is coming back and grabbing people who are longing in here. So we'll see. This would be the bounce level. If we're going to bounce, it's here. Otherwise, we're looking for bottoming to establish lower. Come on, baby. Push. Push ya nambe pambe. Can we get above it here? Can we get above it? Come on. Let's go. You can do it. You could. What's that movie? You can do it all night long. You know what was good movie back then was Rush Hour 2. Rush Hour 2, man. Chris Tucker and Jackie Chan. Come on. Come on, Lee. Come on. Come on, Lee. Come on, Lee. Push Bitcoin. Come on. Get back up above that VWAP. Not wanting to do so, eh? It's a little battle here. You got it. Come on, baby. You got it. You got it. Push. Come on, baby. Push. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. None of this horsing around, man. I'm working on my dad tone. Let's go, son. Stop horsing around. Stop horsing around. Push above that VWAP, son. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You got to go. You just going to keep knocking your head off the ceiling there, Bitcoin, or what? Damn, Bitcoin. You just being lazy. You got more oomph in you. I see you. Like I'm talking to Bitcoin like I can do anything about it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 340 people on the live. What's going on, everybody? Good to see you guys. Looking for this to continue to push. Right now, it's being very lackluster. Come on, baby. This is going to be our bottoming structure. Yeah, nice push here. Nice push. Come on. A little bit more. You can go. You can go if you want to. You'll be no friend of mine. All right, I'm going to take some off here. Stop loss to entry. 152 realized. GG's, everybody. GG's. Stop loss. Let's put stop loss just below the low here. Just below the low. GG's, everybody. TP1 hit. Coming into our support level here. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. Let's go. Very, very calm and collected win here for the gang, gang, gang. I mean, share this with your friends. Come out and hang out with us. A beautiful, beautiful trade brought to you by the Otter Gang, gang, gang. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for being here, supporting the channel. Oof. Coming back down hard. Retest a VWAP here. So push back down. Retest a VWAP. Look for continuation. Look for continuation, right? Break up through it with aggression, right? We talk about this kind of trade quite often, right? You push through, you retest, you continue down. You push through, you retest, you continue up, right? You just want to be on the right side. We use our momentum to kind of give us bias. Not necessarily going to win every time, but we talked about that trigger wave on the 3, right? We also talked about the 24-minute trigger wave, trying to push up with money coming back into the market. Some hopium, okay? Some hopium in this move. 15-minute, trying to push back in. Money's trying to come back in, okay? 12-minute, VWAP crossover, trying to come back in. It's just where are you going to get into that trade, right? Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. Scare money don't make money. Scare money don't make money. Okay, now it's retesting again. I don't like this double retest thing, man. I do not like the double retest. It's got to go. It's got to go. Here's the screenshot for all you nosy people. I know you guys need to know. So I'll always provide the goody goods with you guys. The entry, the stop loss, the money, 150 realized. We still got 29,000 in the trade. Okay. There you go. There's all the goodies for all you nosy people. You guys are nosy neighbors, man. But I'm willing to share, because why would you want to trade with someone who isn't trading? You can go watch. Everybody here can draw lines on a chart. I promise you that. Everybody can. Everybody can. Traders helping traders. That's what we're all about here. Nice push for Bitcoin here. Come on, baby. Let's go. Risky long, Alex? I don't think so, man. I don't think so. I mean, you could have got long off this retest. 786 bounce, man. We had the level. We were ready to trade it. Got anchor trigger wave here, pushing up. I think everything lined up quite nicely. Volume picked up too in this low. Look, volume picked up to push price back in. I think it was a great trade. My portfolio thinks so. Let's go, baby. Push Bitcoin. Watching grass grow. It takes longer than you think. Absolutely. You guys are incredible. You guys are incredible. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. GG's, everybody who took the long with me. You guys are crushing it. You guys are crushing it. 1 for 1. Starting off the day. Take whatever time you need, bro. See? I love these people. Is Canada going to join the USA? Yeah, absolutely. I'm down. Cheaper taxes, defense, all that good stuff. You know, all the stuff that you really need. Less red tape. You guys are incredible. Look at all you beautiful people. I got so much to catch up to. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. God bless you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Merc, let's go. Jake Tamale in the chat. What's going on, man? Wick 589. GG's, everybody. Make Canada great again. I am short, says Ricky Walker. We're coming for you, Ricky. Good shout. Why not short? Because I longed. That's why. Close my eyes, pushing some random buttons. You guys are incredible. Bro is surgical with it. Yeah, not bad, man. Not bad. Not bad. I love this community too, Jesse. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Will Bitcoin continue to push? That is the question. I think we're sitting pretty right now. We're sitting pretty. I want to see an established higher low come in, right? We want to see something where, you know, we can possibly put stop loss to entry, one of those. We'll see how we open this morning. We do have news data coming out at 10 a.m., okay? So be aware of that. Be aware of the news data. Okay, this looks like we got some more follow through to go here. We'll see if we do get it. Okay, thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with us. Patience prevailed. Patience prevailed. So far, so good. Very grateful for all of you guys and for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you are new. We are live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Just absolutely smacking these charts. Smacking them. Might still dump. Absolutely. Absolutely. That's why we've taken some profits coming into this order block in here. See if we do want to continue to push. We'll see. A little battle going on here. You can see the volume picking up on this candle, suggesting strength. Okay. The volume coming in through here, trying to grab late longs. Okay. Possible. Very possible. Right, we could still do this very easily. Very easily. We have, you know, stalled out here. View up here. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We've guaranteed some money. If we do want to keep pushing, we can keep pushing. We could possibly add if it makes sense. Right now, it doesn't make sense in my opinion. Yeah. We're still here. Entry is 282, so we could be more accurate. 282. Yeah, just above here. Coming back in. Want to see this VWAP hold. It seems to be coming back against us here, so let's see how it goes. Don't want to we've been closing trades too early, right? So letting this one breathe a little bit could be detrimental. Might want to just get out of dodge right now and re-enter. I think that could be a good idea. If we do get the opportunity to get out of dodge here, okay? We'll see if we bounce. This is our last chance to bounce. If we don't bounce, we're closing it out, just so you guys are aware. Let's see if we bounce. Nope, no bounce. Bearish engulfing candle here. I'm moving stop loss to entry right now. Probably going to get tapped. We'll see. Stop loss to entry. Will it get tapped? That's awfully close. Gotta go. It's going to tap. It looks like it's going to tap. Yep, it tapped. Okay, stopped out. That's fine. Could continue from here. Another winner. That's okay. Breadcrumbs, baby. Breadcrumbs. We want to collect breadcrumbs, okay? We saw weakness in it. $150. GG's, everybody. On to the next one, okay? We have mitigation of the low in here. Still interested in this low here. Could still bounce, okay? Losing VWAP, though. Sign of weakness, in my opinion. Coming into market open. We got 9 minutes till market opens. This could bounce from here and go to the moon. Not saying it won't. Good trade so far. Quick and easy. Lemon squeezy. On to the next one, baby. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We all have stripper dating stories. I guess so. All right. Looking to re-enter here. Another trigger wave coming our way. Who would have thought? So look at this. Trigger wave, and then it gets absolutely smacked on, right? So this is a problem with, we know money flows coming out here. So generally we should be looking for the, look at the bullet bearish engulfing candle here too. That was a very good sign to get out of dodge, okay? This would be our next target, 93.4 that we are looking for. Congratulations to those who took some profits, who paid themselves. Keep going. We keep going. So far, so good. Rolly over is what I can. Rolly ovary is what I call my wife. You guys. Larger lady. A rolly ovary, an egg from a larger lady. You guys are something, man. You guys always make me laugh. Rolling. What do you think the market does today, Ryan? I think it moves up and down and all around, and then I think maybe your friend Jing Ping says something, and the market dumps. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. Look at the bounce we're getting now. Could have re-entered. Coulda, shoulda, didn't. Okay. Coming into market open here. Look at this push, man. That's cheeky. Isn't that cheeky? Reclaiming VWAP. We got a little VWAP battle going on here. You want a battle? You must be crazy. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, this is, we don't touch this now. This is Chop City. We don't want to be in the chop zone, okay? This looks like it's going to go up. However, red dot, money coming out. It's trying to push back. Maybe that was the trade here, the reclaim of VWAP here. Not for me. Not for me. One winner so far. Good job, everybody. We'll see if we do get another one coming into our beautiful, beautiful market open. We need a larger deviation away from VWAP. That would be good. I need more coffee. You guys can wait. I have some on the pot. Looks like it's chopping. Battle? You want a battle? You must be crazy. Boom, boom. All right, what's going on? 327 people here, 170 likes. We just hit 6,670 subscribers. Thank you. We got a full cup of coffee, and we're ready to go into market open. What are we looking for? That is the question. So we're battling VWAP here, chopping around. You must be crazy. You must be crazy. Okay. We got a NASDAQ rolling over here, chop city, but sideways. Okay, this isn't horrible. I would say this is range bound for now. We have this. Yeah, that's shit. What we're looking for is strength, right? Right now, this isn't strength. This is uncertainty, in my opinion. So we have gapped way down. Look to fill the gap. Bull flag. We'll see. This looks like it needs to come and be hit. Look, this looks like liquidity. This is the easiest version of what liquidity looks like. Right? Oh my God, bull flag. No. Okay? This says be careful. Okay? Be careful. In my opinion. I don't know about yours. S&P looking to gap down, opening up down, but trying to bounce back up. We'll see if we do get that. Okay, looking for this bounce at around here. The dollar has pushed to Valhalla. The Canadian dollar is worth dog poop. Okay, it's 68 cents a dollar for the Canadian dollar here. Very upsetting in Canada. We cannot afford anything. So welcome to Canada, land of the home of the brave. Whatever. Trying to push back here. We got long. We made money. We got stopped out in profits, okay? It looks like it wants to go. It also looks like it wants to dump. What does that mean? You don't take a trade. That's what that means, okay? You don't take a trade. Right? You got a red dot, green dot, red dot. Indecision here. Money trying to come back in, but money has come out. So you got mixed feelings in here, right? You don't know if you want to marry her, but you like her. One of those. Got bull divs here, 5-minute bull divs, trying to push up. Indecision candles, uncertainty. 2 minutes till market opens. Okay, so let's let the market bake a little bit here. We'll find another trade. Pushing up here. Great trade already. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. You guys are cool, man. Thank you guys for being part of the Otter gang. Let's see some gangs in the chat. Push, baby, push. Flagging out. Take the money. That's the one. That's the one. GG's. Another winner, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Like on mobile. Yeah, I know it's weird on mobile. You have to press back and hit the like button. That was a classic. How much percent of a position do you usually take on TP1? That one I took... It's depending on the price action. Because price action is slow there and I was only expecting it to come up to this order block here, I took 75% out of that because it didn't look like it had much oomph to it. So I took a lot out of that, which is fine. Just an interpretation thing. Okay. Do you still make money after taxes on those trades? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Gains for life. Welcome to the gang, man. You've always been part of the gang, Gains for life, but now you get to put gang in the chat, man. Let's go. You guys are incredible. All right, pushing here. This looks good. Coming into market open. Market is open in 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Gapping down for the S&P. Bitcoin's trying to push here. How low can it go? Oof. Oh my God. Oh my God. All the way down here. All the way down here. The S&P getting an absolute slap. An absolute slapper. All right, so we're opening up here. We'll see how it reacts. We obviously want to see it bounce to the moon. It is dumping. It is dumping. See? It is dumping. What do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin? NASDAQ flat. NASDAQ flat. Bitcoin dumping. S&P. Nasty, man. Nasty. All right. Bounce off VWAP here. Continuation up. We got anchor trigger here. Trying to push. Nice push for Bitcoin. Nice push for Bitcoin here. Oh, wow. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Bitcoin. Higher high. Nice hammer candle in here. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, what a push. What a push. Big push here for Bitcoin. No trade yet. Hitting the resistance. Hitting resistance here. Look for the revisit of previous highs. Revisit of previous highs. Coming back, grabbing some liquidity. Could send price down. Bounce for the S&P. NASDAQ looking to break out. Very volatile here. Chet, if you're still in that long, give it an advance today. Beautiful, beautiful pump. Guess we should have stayed in it. Let's go, Bitcoin. Wow, nice push. Okay, breaking that trend line, breakout, retest, continuation trade now. Just running away from us. Running away from us. Bitcoin to the moon. I mean, it's not to the moon, guys. Looking for a revisit into this area here, 95,130. Looking for a revisit now. Breakout, retest, continuation trade. Nice pump for Bitcoin. Nice pump. Let's go. Coming for the mitigation of the highs in here. Shout out to those who are long and still long. Wow. Good push for Bitcoin. No FOMO. Looking for a retest back in here. 95,300 now. Up in here. Hitting liquidity at the highs right now. Beautiful push for Bitcoin. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. Gang. You guys are all long, eh? Go. Wow, what a push. What a push hitting that liquidity zone. Coming back in here. Coming back in. Might look to jump on. Might look to jump on in here. We'll see. Very overextended here. Coming back down. Looking to possibly get long here. All right, I'm going to take a stab. Getting long here. Getting long. Coming back against us here. Looking for a continuation through. Half a position size. Might have to add to this thing. Big wick to the upside here. We got news coming at 10 o'clock again. Let's not forget that. Bitcoin coming back, revisiting highs. So I've added half a position size here again. So full position size now. Let's see if it does want to continue. This would be a very big wick to the upside. No follow through here. Okay, might get stopped out. Coming back to retest these lows in here. Gotta go, Bitcoin. You gotta go, man. Where's that? Show me the money. Gotta go. Looking for follow through here. Not getting any follow through, really. Continuation? No. Come on. I don't really like this. Not a fan. Very volatile. Very, very volatile. We expected this today. Is it trapping longs? It seems as though it's trapping longs right now. It's either going to pop or it's... Yeah, it's going to probably rug everybody right now. Coming back down. No follow through, really. I don't like when it doesn't follow through. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Going into the 1 minute candle here, trying to get that follow through. Stop loss just below this low in here. Nice push. Nice push. I'm out of that. I'm going to close that out. It may keep going. I don't want to be playing in that. That's not my hangout spot. You know, I went into a bad neighborhood there. Okay, bad neighborhood. Don't want to hang out in the bad neighborhood, okay? $190. Take it and run. Okay, another winner. Bad neighborhood for me. I don't want to hang out in this neighborhood. You know, I have my wallet, my new phone. Another winner. This could rip. Okay, not saying it won't. It's just not for me. Not for me. Uncomfortable. Look at this thing go, baby. Shout out to those in the long. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Congratulations on your winners. 2 for 2 today. Not going to overtrade. I think this thing is going to come back aggressive. When it does, it could come back aggressive here. So be cautious. We're in a short zone. Liquidity grabbing here. Okay. Be careful, please. Okay. This is a big zone that I'm interested in a short. We haven't fully hit it here. We could keep going. We bought the retest. Got in a little bit too early. Okay. So coming down into a big resistance trend line, right? This is the short zone if we're going to short. No short for me just yet. Okay, this looks like it's ripping to the upside. Shout it to you guys. Shout it to the Otter gang. 345 people in here. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Hanging out with me. Oh, man. 2 wins, baby. We made, $300 today, baby. $350 today, US. That's like 6,000 Canadian. Shout out to the gang. Let's go. Up only. Good job, everybody. This would be the short zone. Not taking it right now. Let's go. You guys are great. Getting along here, he says. Careful. Daily point of control. Yeah. Yeah, we're hitting some resistance right now, clearly. Trying to push through. Nice move. Nice move. Gang, gang, gang. She's psycho, but she's hot. I'm in. Hopefully they buy Canada, man. Oh my God, you guys are incredible. Thank you guys so much for being here. Good to see you, Jays. Much love for you, man. Thank you for being here. I sounded like George there. It's going to go up. Looks like it's going to go up. George is always bullish, man. I love George. George is incredible. What's going on? Crypto Pollo Drew ENN. I'm long. Let's go. Well, we had the long that we should have stayed in possibly was down here. We got long this morning. Little quick winner. Great entry. So if you are still long from there, congratulations. We took the wick test back in here. We got long again, and I got out of dodge. Okay, maybe a little bit of a chicken, but I'm a rich chicken. No, I ain't rich. Okay, I'm totally wealthy with the amount of people who come here and hang out. That is what that's the merit in this community is that we manage our risk, we protect ourselves, we take trades, and we press buy and sell quite successfully. Thank you everybody for supporting this channel. We got some news coming out at 10 a.m. So let's be level-headed here. A little push-up. Okay, a little push-up. Everything is non-financial advice here. You guys are incredible. At least it didn't dump on market open. Yeah, that's it, right? False move Mondays. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Like, this is trapping longs in my opinion, right? This is not, it's good we got out. But look at this thing. It's going to come back down and break hearts, man. Break hearts. This is our short zone. Not looking for it just yet. Not looking for it. We'll see. We got indecision up top here. Retracing back down. What I'd be looking for is this. We're a little push back here, mitigating this low. Okay, retesting and then going. Okay, and that's where we get short. If this, then that. If this, then that. Always if this, then that. That's how we should be trading. No follow through here. Could have made a lot more money if I just stayed in that a little bit longer. But what is the money worth for your sanity, right? That is the question. So we have mitigated some of this order block in here. Let's bring this up to here now, right? We're hitting this big trend line. Okay, you see this dotted line coming through here. Can we flip it to support? That would be massive. If we're zoomed out here, we can see that this is a big trend line from the top up here. Woo! All the way down, okay? Can we get above that? We'll have to see. We'll have to see. To me, liquidity resides below in here. Will we come and get it? We'll have to see. Little battle in here. You want a battle? You must be crazy. You must be crazy. So a little pushback here. Michael Saylor's probably buying up the whole plethora of Bitcoins right now. So, he's a Monday buyer. Mondays have typically been bullish the previous weeks. 326 people in here looking for the short. We'll see if we do get it. 186 likes. We didn't hit 200 likes today. I guess you guys don't like two free trades. I guess we'll just do it in the Discord. If you are new here and you do want to join the Discord. I don't know what's going on with the Wendy O in my Discord, but if you do want to join, we have a membership here. 4 amazing traders. Me, Kyle, Brewberry, Thesis, amazing people helping you get profitable. Live streams, 8 of them a week. Incredible. Trade setups, top-down analysis, Bitcoin updates, helping you navigate these charts. $1 a day. This is not going to last very long, okay? We have a sale on $30 a month, $1 a day. Keeps the doctor away. If you do want to join the Discord, would love to have you guys over here. The Otter family, man. It's incredible. Incredible people, great trade setups, great ideas, great people. Love it. Love it. Come over and hang out. We'd love to have you. A little toppy here. No reaction here. NASDAQ trying to go. This is a good sign. S&P. Not sure. Dixie. Ripping. Okay, so the tariff wars, the tariff trade wars are on. How will the market react? I think this is a trap. If I was to give you my diagnosis, my idea that everybody getting long in this bitch. Sorry. Pardon my French. We got long here. We got out here. Not sitting through this. Yeah. Still look for the retest back in here if we are looking for a long. We could be looking for this in here. But yeah, this is not a little bit toppy here on our 1 minute, 3 minute rolling over as well. Okay, big anchor wave in here, rolling over. That 24-minute trigger wave though. This is the one right here. Can it work? I don't think so. You see VWAP's overextended right now. So you got your one trigger wave candle, right? If we're taking off all of our shenanigans on our charts, right? You got our trigger wave candle here. So this will print bullish, okay? This will confirm the green dot in 35 seconds, which is good, all right? But your VWAP's going to get overextended. Funny 3 seconds. Trying to push back. Big engulfing candle, grabbing all of these shorts in here. Liquidity. Okay, cautious. Great trades today, everybody. Thank you for being here, subscribing to the channel. Will we hit 7,000 subscribers this week is the question. That would be pretty cool, man. We'll see. This looks dumpy to me. Okay, there's our 24 minutes. See how VWAP's overextended? Trigger wave to the downside. Anchor, trigger wave, bearish divergence, okay? Bearish divergence. Cautious. Cautious. Okay? I might take a head short here. Maybe. Not yet. Bearish divergence starting to print possibly on our 24-minute. Be careful here, please. This could easily come back down to these lows in here. It's a good risk to reward trade, in my opinion. Okay. Don't get overly caught up in the hype. Okay. The recovery is coming, in my opinion, but I wouldn't say yet. We do have news coming out in 10 minutes. So why you jump into a trade right now? Okay. Why? There's no reason to do so. Okay. There's no setup in here. This is Chop City flagging out. No trade. Trading is waiting. We wait. Patience will prevail. Practicing good risk management. Hanging out with you guys. I have not added to the spot bags. No, not yet. I got dry powder, but I'm not adding yet. I want to see if we. I want to see. I don't mind adding to the spot bags if we hold 90,000, 92,000. Okay. I will add if I see structure shift. Okay. So if I see some strength in here, maybe breaking out of this trend line here, right? Revisiting back down, putting in a higher high, and then I would look to get into spot on like a higher low. Okay. That would be how I would execute it. Nothing until then. Right? As people who know the charts, we should be able to go off confirmations, just like we do with any of this stuff. So look, you get this big dump down, you get the push back up. As soon as you break here, I don't mind buying here. I'd rather buy here than buy here and have the worrisome of an absolute shit show to the downside. Okay? Right? You want to buy here or do you want to buy here? Right? You got to ask yourself that, in my opinion, right? Lots to come back to, right? But I would like to see strength, right? Some sort of strength. Because the fire sale, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Like, tell those people to shove it, man. Buy the dip. You buy when you feel like you've seen structure change. That's my opinion. Don't be listening to these buy the dip people, okay? You're going to get yourself wrecked. You're going to be overzealous. You're going to think they want you to buy the tops. Not enough pain yet. I think there's still some more pain. That's just me. Where it comes, we don't know yet. There's a lot looming right now, and it's not the greatest idea to just, to just be buying up everything. What data is coming out? So we do have a whole bunch of job stuff this week, but we do have a manufacturing coming out. So manufacturing, ISM at 10 a.m. here, and then tomorrow is going to be a bit more important, JOLTS. Okay, and then we have the big one's on Friday, okay? Unemployment rate and non-farm. That's going to be the interesting one in here, okay? I'll share this link if you want the calendar as well. Here you go. Here's your calendar. Whenever Alex says structure, my day gets better with chicken bumps. Let's go. Thanks for being here, Pollo. 12-hour VWAP pushing, 90-minute money flow coming. Let's go. That 90-minute secret time frame. The 90-minute front running the daily, right? That's the trick, right? Money pushing back on the 90. See, like pig nipples, I want to see this. That's the glory right there. Right? This is ugly. I want to see this and something like this. We'll see. If this, then that, right? Big flag out here, trapping traders either long or short. It's not a place where I'm going long or short, okay? Just something that I'll be waiting for here. We've got 7 minutes till market opens. Pretty incredible stream today. We've had 2 amazing trades. I would say we should have held the first one longer. That wasn't the intention. We got out mostly here, stop loss at entry, stopped out. Then the big push up this morning. We managed to get in off this retest back in here, get out in here. A quick $340 today. Lots of winners, chicken dinners today. So I'm happy about that. We've protected the new person. We've managed our risk well. Okay. Trading half a position size, which does give you some fluctuation to add to the trade if you see fit, which allowed me to lower my average in and allowed me to get out of that trade and make some money, okay? You see a little bit of a roll over here, not looking too beautiful, okay? So be very, very careful with this right now. This is no man's zone, okay? We look at the NASDAQ pump and dump right now, retesting highs. This could continue if we're looking for a breakout continuation here on NASDAQ. The S&P, not looking good, okay? Continuing to roll over here, coming back for a lot of this down in here, okay? Very nasty. Absolutely nasty on the S&P 500, okay? Looking gross. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see how it bounces, but this does not look good just yet. I don't think we're out of the woods yet. I just want you guys to be level-headed in a situation like this, okay? Beautiful trade this morning. We've absolutely crushed it. News coming out. A great day today. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 2 for 2. Starting the week off really well. Okay, so thank you guys so much for being here and supporting the channel. I'm very grateful for you guys. Don't forget to smash those likes on the way out if you did enjoy this. Subscribe. See you in the Discord, all that good stuff. God bless you and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over